Welcome back. In this Python tutorial, we are going to go over how to use the openpyxl package to create charts with LibreOffice Calc. The example shown will also work with Excel and numbers, etc. For the imports, we have import openpyxl. From openpyxl, import workbook. From openpyxl.chart, import bar chart, line chart, and reference. From openpyxl.utils.dataframe, import dataframe to rows. Import pandas as PD. Import numpy as NP. For our first example, we will go over how to create a bar chart. We start by creating a workbook and grabbing the active worksheet. We also set the title for the worksheet tab to bar. Next, let's append some data to the worksheet that will be used to create the bar chart using a for loop and worksheet.append. Then, we use reference to reference the data in the worksheet by column and row numbers that will be used for the bar chart. Now, let's create the bar chart using bar chart equals bar chart with the round brackets. Then, let's add the data values to the bar chart for the bar chart bars. And finally, we can add the chart to the worksheet using worksheet.addChart and put in the bar chart. And save the workbook using workbook.save. And here we have our bar chart. Next, let's go over an example of how to create a line chart. Let's start by creating a new worksheet within the workbook using workbook.createSheet. In the round brackets, we put line. To make the line worksheet active, we use workbook.active equals workbook, and inside the square brackets, we put line. For the data, we will use a data frame with a date range and some random numbers data. To append the data frame data to the worksheet, we can utilize a for loop with data frame to rows. Now, let's go ahead and create the line chart with the code line chart equals line chart with the round brackets, and set the title, legend, and X and Y axis titles. Here we use reference to reference the data in the worksheet by column and row numbers that will be used for the line chart. To add the data values for the line chart, we use linechart.addData, and inside the round brackets we put the values. Next, we use reference again to reference the dates in the worksheet by column and row numbers that will be used for the line chart. To assign the dates to the x-axis, we use linechart.setCategories, and inside the round brackets we put the dates. And finally, we add the chart to the worksheet with worksheet2.addChart. Inside the add chart round brackets, we put the line chart and the anchor. And the anchor is the cell where we want to place the chart. Let's save the workbook. And here we have our line chart. That's all we have for this tutorial. Join us again next time.